Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about text content property of a JavaScript DOM element using Web API. In my previous video, I have explained about inner HTML and inner text. In this video, we will learn what is a text content and also why we are using text content. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, I have created one HTML h1 tag with an ID, heading, and I have a text like text content. And in index.js, let me get this element. Const element is equal to document.getElementById. And what is my ID? Let me give this ID as heading. Pass here and semicolon. Console.log of element dot text content. So let me see what we will be getting in this text content. Let me go back, clear it off, reload. You can see accessing the HTML element properties or text content. Let me go back. Now even console.log of element.innerText will also give the same way. Let me clear it off and reload. You got the same content, and even console.log of element.innerHTML will also give the same content. Let me go back, clear it off and reload. You got the same content, but there would be a difference between these three. I'll discuss about this difference in the next upcoming videos. For now, let me comment this and let me see one more scenario. Let me have a div element with an ID. ID is equal to nested div, and inside this div let me have a paragraph, and this is a paragraph, and let me use one more paragraph. This is my para, and let me use one more paragraph where I am giving style is equal to display colon none, and let me give this is in hidden state. Save this and go back to the browser, clear it off and reload. You can see this is a paragraph, this is my para. We are not seeing the last one because that is having a display colon none property, so it will not display on your HTML DOM elements. Now let me go to index.js, and instead of accessing heading, now I'll try to access nested div. So let me copy this and paste here. So instead of heading, we are giving nested div, so and we are targeting for the text content. So now our expectation is these are the two paragraphs which are visible, and we'll be getting these two texts from this text content. As this is a hidden property, we'll not get this particular statement. That is what our assumption, but it will not behave in that way. Let me go back, clear it off. Let me zoom out a bit and stretch it out and reload. If you see here, this is a paragraph, and also this is the hidden state. That means we are getting the text content which are in the hidden state also. And one more thing to observe, if you remember, every paragraph will have some margins by default. If you go to the computed property, you can see here every paragraph is having a margin. But when you print that in the console, you are getting a plain text without any CSS. So this is also not bothered about the CSS. This is also not bothered about the CSS. This is also not bothered about the CSS. That is the reason you are able to see this text content. That means the content which is in hidden state. So that is how a text content works. Let me brief about this text content. Text content fetches the data of a particular element. Inside that particular element, if we have any nested elements, only we will be getting the text which is inside that particular elements. And also text content will not bother about your CSS. It will remove all your CSS and will give you only the text which you have inside your elements. In the next video, I'll discuss about the difference between text content, inner HTML and inner text. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.